It is also a lightweight block. Why did the customer choose Hengde after a round of inspection? From January 14th to 18th, 2026, customers in Inner Mongolia, Gansu, and Xinjiang signed consecutive contracts. This is not a coincidence, but their rational choice. After full comparison, customers of new factories can see clearly. During the inspection stage, they never compare prices, but three things: the cutting effect, the whole line plan, and whether the actual production capacity can be run out. And the customers who upgrade and transform have more say. They have really used other equipment, and in the long-term production, they have clearly felt that once there is a problem in the cutting process, the entire line will be delayed. Many equipment is not impossible to produce, but the cutting accuracy is unstable. The saw seam is large. There is a lot of waste, and there is a lot of labor. The end result is only one: high cost, fluctuating quality, limited production capacity. So the final focus of the customer is actually very concentrated. Cutting is the key problem that needs to be solved in the production of lightweight blocks, then hanged. Why can we solve this problem? Next, let's make it clear from the technical level.